Hey, fellow Frankies. It's your old buddy and your old pal, Artie Reynolds here once again with Coco Radio. And as always, on the other end of the tin can and string, the sounds like a fight to my sounds like an argument, Mr. Blade Braxton.
You know, there's going to be no argument out of me. This is one of the greatest weeks of all time.
It is, without question, without hyperbole, the greatest week in the history of human civilization.
Hall of Fame Coco. Please don't rent a tux. Wear the high energy pants.